Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Given below are the height of few students in a school. These are the heights and we have to find modal height here. So modal height is most frequently occurring height. So let us count the number of students with the corresponding height. So here we can see, by counting we can see that the total number of observation is equal to 45 by counting. Now let us count how many students have 101 height. So 101 height, we can see it is coming 10 times. Similarly, if we count, we can see 123 height is coming 8 times, means 8 student has 123 height. So 132 is obtained by 4 students, means it is occurring 4 times. Similarly, 144 in the above observation we can see it is occurring 9 times. If we count 149 height, so it is occurring 3 times. Similarly, 150 is occurring 6 times and the last height is 154, which is occurring 5 times. Now if we add all these observation, we can see 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 gives 45. Hence the total number of observation is also 45. Now here we can see 101 height is obtained by 10 students of the school. So 10 times it is occurring 10 times. So it is occurring most frequently. Hence we can say that 101 occurs most frequently. Therefore, we can say that the modal height is equal to 101. So, this is our answer.